on to all my pyro fanatics out there. This is your boy Skimp, and I just wanted to show y'all what I have in my fucking garage right now. And boy, to me, boy, it's a lot. Just look at that. Wow. I didn't even realize I had all that much stuff. It's almost touching the ceiling. Let me back up. Look at that. Got my toolbox. Just look at that. Man, that shit crazy. Got the 200s way back there in the back somewhere in 3 containers. And the rest of them was all 500s. Got that Supercell storm. Alright, y'all. I'm out.